Welcome back. If you've ever rated someone or something on Facebook Marketplace and now want to find all those ratings you've given, this quick guide will show exactly where to look on the Facebook app on PC with the new update. A lot of people think these ratings are buried deep inside Marketplace, but the path is actually pretty simple once you know where to click. So if you want to review your past activity, check your feedback history, or just keep track of the ratings you've left, follow these steps carefully. First, open the Facebook app on your PC and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner and click on your profile photo. This will open the main account menu where you can access your settings. From there, go into Settings and Privacy. After that, select Activity Log. This section is where Facebook stores a lot of your past actions, so it's the right place to search for your Marketplace activity. Inside Activity Log, click on Your Facebook Activity. This area organizes your actions across different parts of Facebook, making it easier to find exactly what you need. Now look for Facebook Marketplace and open that section. Once you're inside, you'll see the option for Marketplace ratings you have given. Click on it and Facebook will show you the ratings you've previously left on Marketplace. This is useful if you want to review your feedback history or simply confirm what you've rated in the past. If you don't see it right away, take your time and scroll through the activity categories. Facebook sometimes changes the layout with updates, but the feature is still there in the activity log. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you can find all the Marketplace ratings you've given on Facebook app on PC. If this helped, you're now ready to check your own rating history anytime you want.